Hi, I'm Mario Bermúdez, and I'm the artistic director of Marcat Dance. I love to work with young dancers. The energy that they bring to the studio is really lovely, and we can be inspired together in the studio. In order to create a piece, I always dive to create a new movement language, and this is what I wanted to do with the National Youth. I like to have a theme that we can explore as a group. We go through something, we go through those feelings, those emotions. And I think what's beautiful about this process is like how we can create different dynamics, how we can make patterns on stage, and the beautiful layers that we can make also. Catherine Curry, my partner, we built Marcat Dance together. She's a big support for this creation. It's really exciting to see how they're diving into the movement language of Marcat Dance. They're working really hard to feel, to discover, to enter a new entity in themselves. When they go on stage, I want them to feel confident. I want them to be like, I got this no matter what. Like, there's no judgment. It's a free playground within the world, within the work, and they're gonna grow.